All right. 3, 2, 1. Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled How to Get Banned from Planet Fitness by Police Insider.
Nudie Beauty was wild in the shower when officers decided to join in.
I started at
Nudie Beauty is crazy.
first, and the people that were working before me said she's been in the shower since 4 o'clock this morning.
What the fuck?
Went in there and I asked her to leave a couple of times, told her she was trespassing. She doesn't have a membership. And I told her security was outside earlier and she told me to off.
Is there any other females in here right now?
I'll check.
Okay. All right,
So she's been asked to leave by an employee, told she was trespassing, she's refused to leave. So what do we have?
So if she had a membership, she could have been in there all day, right?
Trespassing. Okay. Trespassing what degree?
T. Modelo.
So she's actually in the shower. She's been in there.
She's in there right now?
She's the only one in
The
there.
water running too?
Yeah.
I know that water bill high than a mother.
She has responded to you though?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, she told her to fuck off.
Police coming in.
It's like a screen, so.
Yeah, there's a curtain on there. Yeah.
Is she standing?
I don't want to look in there.
I see.
Is it around this way?
Yeah.
Kent Police Department.
Police.
We're audio video recording.
I would have been like, body cam, body cam, body cam. I don't need nothing. I don't need nobody saying I tried to do nothing to them.
Here. Okay. If you want to get dressed, and now you can leave.
Ma'am, go
Or get dragged out. Bitch!
dress for us, please, so we can get you out of here.
We're gonna give you some time. All right, we're gonna be in here, but just we'll be off to the side. So if you need to reach out, if we're gonna grab a clothes, go ahead. Okay, we're not watching.
Is she messing around?
Just like I don't want her being in there or something, and to be liable for it. Oh yeah, right.
Oh, y'all water bill gonna be higher than a motherfucker today.
Ma'am, are you getting dressed?
Hell no.
Ma'am?
Y'all might want to go check her.
Ma'am?
Don't tell me she just shot up.
If you do not get ready to leave, you're gonna be placed under arrest for trespassing, okay? You understand? Ma'am? Ma'am?
Hey, can you hear us? Are you having a medical emergency or anything?
Ma'am? Are you okay?
What the hell is she doing?
Hey, can you talk to us?
I
What?
see women in there.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you
Is
talk
there somebody else in there? Like, what the hell going
to us,
on?
ma'am? Do you need medical attention? Ma'am, you're gonna be placed under arrest for trespassing, okay?
Since the Barbie was making no attempt to dress herself, the officers were forced to intervene.
We're gonna be going in and grabbing you, okay?
Okay.
All right, ma'am.
You're under arrest.
I'm gonna finish rinsing.
You need to step out.
Baby, you been rinsing. Oh, her hair is matted. She ain't took a shower in days. That's why, years. That's why she in there.
Answer. Okay.
You're
Please.
under arrest.
Okay. I'm not trespassing. I paid to be here. First of all,
You've been asked
let me.
hours.
to leave.
You're under arrest.
Come on.
I have not been here for hours.
That's-
Absolutely
And hours and hours.
not.
She been showering for hours and hours and
Excuse me.
hours.
I will get dressed.
21.
I have not been here for hours. I've been in here for 15 minutes.
Nah, you was on a trip. That's why.
Ma'am, you're under arrest, okay?
I am naked as.
I know you are. So are you gonna put some clothes on?
Absolutely. Back the up.
Okay.
Where's your lieutenant?
I don't
Okay.
have a lieutenant.
They are not calling the lieutenant for your naked ass.
Don't.
Ma'am,
clothes
stop.
on.
Can I
Let me get
please
you
get
dressed,
dressed?
okay?
There you go.
No, can you get these officers out? Now, I have been here for 15 minutes. I paid to be here.
So that's not in dispute right now. What's in dispute is you getting dressed. You
Absolutely. Excuse you.
Put some clothes on.
Get out.
Put some clothes on now.
I am law
You're under
enforcement.
arrest.
Excuse me.
All right, you about to be butt naked getting thrown on the ground.
I am law enforcement. I will have your badge.
Okay, put some clothes on now.
Lieutenant,
please get dressed.
now. Chief,
She can't even get her thoughts together.
Put your clothes on.
I will! Get out!
Put clothes on.
Get out!
We're not leaving.
I am! You will be arrested for sexual harassment. Let go now!
Please get dressed.
Let go now!
Get dressed.
Let go of what? Oh,
Now.
Get dressed.
I will have all of your badges. Oh, you just got the call? For sure. I suggest you take your officers the out now.
Please get dressed.
I suggest
they are really being patient with her, because if this was 2 female officers, they would have been throwing her ass to the ground.
you take your officers out now.
We've been polite. Please get dressed.
You.
No more discussion. Please put some clothes on. This doesn't have to be any more embarrassing for all of us.
You're gonna be the one embarrassed. All 3 of you. Chief of police.
It shouldn't even took all that, though. If somebody asks you to leave, just fucking leave.
You know who that
You keep getting dressed.
Entitlement while you homeless is crazy.
We'll be patient, but if you stop and keep yelling, then we'll just
is? You
keep
piece
yelling.
of I have your badge. Did you hear that?
Yes.
Back the up.
You can't go to that bag.
I'm going it. I'm gonna do exactly what the chief of police said. You know what, mother?
I knew it. I knew she was gonna get thrown to the ground. What's up?
Ma'am, you're under arrest for trespassing.
I'm gonna sit here until your lieutenant gets here so I can get some clothes on.
Can we try to slip on the sweatpants on the top?
Please,
Jacket,
something.
She has one handy.
Please.
If you walk me out naked,
No one's gonna do that.
you just put your hands all over me because I
It's on body cam, baby, and nobody wanted to do that. That's why they was being so patient with you, because they didn't want to touch you.
grabbed my clothes.
Well, no, because you assaulted me.
I am law enforcement.
Okay. You're being.
I'm not putting that on. I'm gonna sit. I paid to be here.
Okay. I can talk to you after I read you your rights, okay?
Read me my rights for what?
Well, you're under arrest.
Thank you. Can you help me get dressed and remove these other officers for a minute, please?
I can try to help you get dressed. What would you like me to do?
Can I get dressed, please?
What, do you want to slip some pants on first, probably?
If I have to ask one more time. Are you the lieutenant?
Why would they call the fucking lieutenant for something so frivolous as this? Like, this is stupid.
No, he's
We have the fire department waiting. We'd like to get you dressed.
Are you the lieutenant going through my bag?
No, he's not. I'm an officer. I'm trying to think of what's the best way to get her.
We need her cooperation. to get dressed.
That's
what
what
we need.
Yeah.
Do you understand that, ma'am?
I'm gonna wait for the chief. Or do it this officer.
Okay. Sergeant is coming because we had to use force because you assaulted an officer and you resisted.
Naked.
And so we'd like to get you dressed before we leave here, but we need your cooperation with that. We tried that previously and you began taking a shower again. I don't want to do that again.
Though the officers couldn't get her dressed to impress, they did enough so she could walk out to the patrol car with her dignity somewhat intact.
Your dad's a cop?
No.
He trying to put a bra on. He can't do it. Did you see how he tried to put it on her?
I'm doing this right, so.
All I know is how to take them off. I don't know how to put them on.
No, we're not going it yet. Put it off straightly.
He doesn't know how to do it.
Okay, well, take it off my head and put it around my
Yeah, bro, I need to take a shower, y'all. I came straight from the park to give y'all these videos because I shot the first, 1, 2, 3, right? But these last two, the one that you just seen and you came from for this video, these two, oh yeah, it's been going down.
Now I can put shoes on.
That way we can walk you outside.
Oh, I get salted. But me.
They are being really nice too.
Alright, we're gonna walk you out. We're gonna come back and get all your stuff, okay? We gotta get another bag to put the stuff in, okay? Turn around, okay? Thank you.
If you are trying to
You're not injured at all?
Mentally, she out of there.
Yeah, these mother put their hands all over me.
Okay, what's your injuries? Where are you hurt?
I'm not injured at all.
Okay.
I suggest you don't do that again.
We don't want you to go out. It's freezing cold
I
outside.
don't give a
Okay.
What do you care? It's freezing cold.
We don't want you to get sick.
You just snatched me up at naked.
Yeah, I did. Do you want to answer?
AJ's in there some and I'm in here taking a shower.
Okay.
Okay?
Do you want to?
Lieutenant Fisher?
Thanks for the promotion. Do you want to help them?
Don't mind if I do.
What's your last name and stuff like that?
Did you ask him who I am?
No, I did not ask him that.
Go for it.
Ma'am, do you have anything sharp in your pockets?
Does it look like I have anything sharp in my pockets?
Yeah, just pull it out butt naked.
You just pulled my naked out of the shower disrespectfully as
Were those jackets checked at least before we put them on?
you can
Damn, she was in that tripping.
open the door.
Can you check the stuff you did?
Yep.
For sure, check it out.
Okay. Just work on the
Did you get
pockets.
good on that? You like my make you feel good? Are you checking my Didn't you just put my pants on?
I thought they needed a woman cuffs for that.
Yeah. Cicinella. He just got lieutenant. If I transport with these I have your back. You better believe that.
We're also audio video recording.
Good.
So just.
Absolutely.
Yep.
I'm talking to him right now.
You have the right to remain silent.
Sir,
Anything you
can
say
you tell him
used
to back
against
the
you
up?
in a court of law. You have the right at this time to talk to a lawyer and have it
I've
present with
paid
you
memberships.
while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will you understand each of these rights I've
You should
explained
call
to
it
you.
over the radio.
Do you understand?
Did you really just read me my Miranda rights on a trespass? Did you?
You're under arrest.
Did
yes.
you check the computer system? Tell me.
Do you understand those
Did
rights?
you check the computer system?
All right,
yes or no?
Do you understand your rights?
The answer is no. Shut the door, bro.
The pipe was also recovered from her
I knew she was messing around.
jacket, and the 37-year-old female was charged with attempted assault, criminal trespassing, and resisting arrest. YouTube.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. We got one more video coming up for you guys right after this on Deuce Lift Clips. As always, we out. Bada boom, bada bam.